What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is about the Pixel 3 phone. Now, this phone will be out in October. It should be launched on October 4th. And some specs have leaked out for the phone. An unboxing video, that's right, an unboxing video has already leaked, and some photos as well. So let's take a look at that stuff. So first off, you're looking, one of the cool things actually before we jump into it right off the bat is the phone will come with USB Type-C headphones from Google. So this will be the first time they've included headphones in a very long time. If I know the other Pixel phones didn't have it, but just Google phones off the bat, I don't remember them ever having headphones. I could be wrong about that, but this one definitely will have USB Type-C headphones. The other interesting thing about this is that it will have a Snapdragon 845, which we knew. Also, it looks like it's been confirmed as a Snapdragon, 4 gigabytes of RAM, which that 4 gigabytes of RAM might depress some people, especially when they hear our second story of the day. But yeah, 4 gigabytes of RAM. Resolution on the screen is 1440 by 2960. And then other than that, you're looking basically at what the phone is going to be, what we've seen before. It's going to have that notch on there. Nice large display. It'll have that USB-C to 3.5 millimeter adapter if you need it in case you want to use other types of headphones. But yeah, you're looking at this will be the Pixel 3 device. And lastly, of course, is about the Galaxy Note 9. We've got even more information on the Galaxy Note 9, and one's going to be very impressive, and I think it's going to be the one that everyone wants. And it looks like I won't be surprised if it comes out in every part of the world for the most part. Hopefully here in America, but we'll wait and see, I guess, by tomorrow, unless we hear something different. And that is that the Galaxy Note 9 will have, this is coming from WinFuture, 8 gigabytes of RAM on their 512 gigabyte version. So they'll have the 128 gigabyte version storage with 6 gigabytes of RAM, and then they'll have a 512 gigabyte version with 8 gigabytes of RAM. That has been confirmed. As for where that's going to come out, that 8 gigabyte RAM version one, we don't know. We've heard parts of the world. I'm guessing it's going to be everywhere though, right off the bat. I'm thinking even America will get there, at least I'm hoping for the most part. You'll still get that 4,000 milliamp battery, 6.4 inch AMOLED, Super AMOLED display. It will come, let's see, won't require a dock because the Galaxy Note 9 instead being available through a simple USB to HDMI cable. Again, I don't know if that cable is going to come with your device or not. Other than that, that's the biggest thing that was taken away from this is that it's going to have 8 gigabytes of RAM in the 512 gigabyte version. So awesome to hear. So guys, thanks for watching. This will be my last episode before I actually go to the Note 9 launch event, which is tomorrow. I will be at that, and I'm headed over to New York tonight. I ended up getting an Airbnb instead of a hotel, and I'll be staying right in Brooklyn. So yeah, should be exciting. And I'll definitely, I was thinking about doing a live stream possibly, since I don't know if I have time to actually edit the video or not, because I'll be on the airplane shortly after. I'm actually leaving on the 9th as well. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to know anything about the phone, I'll link one of my videos below that allows you guys to ask some questions on that. Thanks for watching. Also, thanks to all my sponsors that that donated to me to get to this trip. I appreciate it massively. I'll see you guys down the road.